Alright guys, so what we need to do at this point is we're returning this, but what we need to do is we need to create objects for each one of these so that it's going to give a type, and so we can get the type value and the quality and stuff like that. Because we're going to make different buttons. So there's going to be a button here that says download, and you're going to click it, and it's going to present a drop down with each format, and each format or quality type is going to link to the download of that. So how we're going to do this is it's going to get a little bit complicated, and that's because after the split function here, we're going to map it. Now it's not complicated yet, but it's about to get complicated. So we're going to pass the item into this. So each one of these is going to be looping essentially. It's going to map it. So what we need to do is we need to return the item split at the AND symbol. And then we reduce that and turn it into its own object, kind of. So let's go through this. So we're going to return item dot split, and we're going to split at the AND symbol here. And then once we split that, we're going to run the reduce method. And we're going to reduce this. It takes a callback of a function. We're going to pass two values into it. It's going to be previous, so this is going to be equal to the key, so type, URL, etc. And then cur, which is going to be equal to the value of it. So now we can use this, as you can guess, to build an object that has type, etc. set. So if I just console log here pre-cur, previous and current. We're going to save this and reload our extension and then refresh the page. And we're going to see a bunch of this. So quality equals medium, type equals video, URL equals this, right? And that's exactly what we want. We want to be able to separate each one of those and then again split it at the equal sign so that we can build an object out of it. So let's jump back over to our code here. And now at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to set cur equal to cur.split. We're going to split at the equal sign, not the plus sign, the equal sign. And now we're going to return an object. So we're going to return object.assign. And here we're going to say pre, that's going to be the first parameter, and then the second one is going to be the object. To set the key using an array, we need to set cur 0, and then decode URI component, and we're going to pass in cur 1. And then after this, what we're going to do is we're going to do this, save it. I'm going to add that after here. Save it. Refresh. This is ES6, by the way, and something is not working. Oh, because I've added the left or the right bracket right there. Okay. There we go. Yes. Awesome. All right. So this is what we want. Each of the URLs for this video has been stored in a sub-object in the video URLs. And we're going to cut the video here so that this doesn't get too long, because that was, those red lines tricked me. That's... thought I was doing it wrong. So anyway, yeah, the quality is medium. This is going to be the key. So we're going to have a drop down that says the quality, and then when you click that, it's going to download the URL for the corresponding quality. So we're going to jump into injecting HTML in the next video.